Okay, Kia Optima 2012 to 2015. This is how you install the strut. As you can see, okay, this is the ABS. You're gonna go towards the caliper and come back. The strut is gonna go this way. Okay, you got enough space to go in and go around the fender and go in. Now, always put a bungee cord to hold it because you don't want the axle to fall apart. So I'm holding the bungee, the spindle from not falling. Okay, so this is the ABS. This is the hose for the brake caliper. Put in front of it, and that's it. Okay, so just remember it's gonna go this way. Okay, now I have my struts right here. I'm gonna match them. They both look good. So now I'm gonna remove the nuts because that's not the first time it happened. I put it on and I took the nuts off and then I gotta take it back out again. So take the nuts off. Just have one nut ready on the top. So when you put it on, with one hand, you can screw that one. Okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see if I can do it one hand so you can see where it goes. Okay, so it's gonna go this way. Okay, go all the way down. We are gonna do the link too. You see, enough space. Now you go up in the hole. You move it around a little bit. That's it. So now you can see the strut on the axle. And we're gonna put the nut up here. I gotta put the phone down a little bit. Okay, I got one nut on it. You just lift it with one hand, and with the other hand you put one nut. Okay, now we can work on it, do whatever you want, tighten them up. Once it's tight, then you can tighten up the top ones. Don't tighten up the top ones yet till you have everything done in the bottom. Okay, so that's how you replace your struts in a 2012 to 2015 Kia. What is this? Optima? What is this thing? I think it's an Optima. Yeah, Kia Optima. All these years. Okay, so they're not that bad to do. They're easy to do. You just gotta remember where this thing go. If you left this wire on this side, now you're gonna have problems. Okay, bye bye.